In a significant development for Ukraine's air defense, the Ukrainian Air Force has officially deployed Mirage 2000-5F fighter jets in combat operations. These French-supplied aircraft participated in repelling a large-scale Russian missile and drone attack on critical infrastructure. This marks the first confirmed operational use of Mirage 2000-5F jets by Ukraine since their transfer from France, signifying an important enhancement in the country's defensive capabilities amid ongoing aerial threats. During the night, Russian forces launched a combined strike involving missiles and drones aimed at key infrastructure, including gas extraction facilities. Ukrainian radar systems identified and tracked 261 aerial threats, comprising 67 missiles and 194 drones. The missile barrage included 35 Kh-101/Kh-55SM cruise missiles, 8 caliber cruise missiles, 3 Iskander-M ballistic missiles, 4 S-300 surface-to-air missiles used in a ground attack capacity, and 8 Kh-5969 air-launched missiles. Meanwhile, the drone wave was made up of 194 Shahid loitering munitions and decoy UAVs of different types. To counter the attack, Ukraine deployed a combination of air defense systems, electronic warfare measures and combat aircraft, including Mirage 2000-5FS and F-16s. By 10 a.m., Ukrainian forces had successfully destroyed 134 airborne threats, including 25 Kh-101/Kh-55SM cruise missiles, 8 caliber missiles, 1 Kh-5969 guided missile, and 100 Shahid drones. Additionally, at least 10 enemy missiles failed to reach their designated targets, and 86 UAVs were neutralized before impact. Russia has intensified nocturnal air raids on Ukraine in recent months, with repeated strikes targeting energy infrastructure, transportation networks, and urban centers. One of the most destructive attacks occurred on August 26, 2024, when Russia launched over 100 missiles and drones, resulting in casualties and severe damage to the power grid. Similarly, a large-scale air assault on November 17, 2024, struck multiple cities, causing widespread power outages and civilian casualties. With U.S. military assistance, including intelligence sharing and air defense support, temporarily suspended, Ukraine has sought alternative means to bolster its defensive and offensive capabilities. The integration of Mirage 2000-5F fighters offers a crucial boost, as these aircraft are equipped with advanced avionics and can deploy AASM-guided bombs and SCALP cruise missiles. Their ability to perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions enhances Ukraine's operational flexibility, helping to compensate for the reduced American support. However, given their limited numbers, the Mirage jets must be strategically positioned to maximize their effectiveness. The decision to supply Mirage 2000-5F jets to Ukraine was first announced by French President Emmanuel Macron on June 6, 2024. The commitment included pilot training, with 4,500 Ukrainian pilots undergoing instruction in France. By October 2024, French Defense Minister Sébastien Lecornu confirmed that 6 aircraft would be delivered, along with a comprehensive support package. The aircraft were modified at Kazoo Air Base to enhance their air-to-ground capabilities. Ukrainian pilots and maintenance crews were trained at Nancy Air Base, using 7 Mirage 2000B trainer aircraft. The first 3 Mirage 2000-5FS arrived in Ukraine in early 2025, with the remaining 3 scheduled for delivery within the first quarter of the year. The deployment of these jets required operational adjustments within the French Air and Space Force. Before the transfer, 28 Mirage 2000-5FS were in service, primarily tasked with air defense missions under Group de Chasse 1/2 Sagagnis and Escadron de Chasse 3 of 11 Corps. The aircraft operated from Luxeuil-les-Bains and Djibouti. With the reduction in Mirage 2000-5F units, France accelerated deliveries of Rafale F-4 jets to maintain operational readiness. Originally designed in the late 1970s as a single-engine, delta-wing aircraft, the Mirage 2000 entered service with the French Air Force in 1984. While initially focused on air superiority, later variants were adapted for multi-role operations. The Mirage 2000-5 variant, introduced in the 1990s, features an upgraded Thales RDY radar capable of multi-target tracking and engagement. It is armed with Mica infrared and radar-guided missiles, making it highly effective in aerial combat. For Ukraine, the Mirage 2000-5F aircraft were further enhanced to integrate SCALP EG cruise missiles and AASM-guided bombs, significantly improving their precision strike capabilities. Additional electronic warfare systems were installed to counter enemy jamming and electronic countermeasures. These upgrades make the Mirage 2000-5F a valuable complement to Ukraine's existing fleet, which includes Soviet-era aircraft and newly acquired F-16 fighters. The deployment of Mirage 2000-5F fighter jets underscores France's growing role in supporting Ukraine's air defense efforts. With Russia's persistent aerial bombardment of critical infrastructure, the need for advanced fighter aircraft has never been more pressing. While the limited number of Mirage jets necessitates careful tactical planning, their arrival signals a notable reinforcement of Ukraine's combat aviation. As the war continues, these aircraft will play a key role in defending Ukrainian airspace and deterring future attacks.